different story because bebezomjumpa bamshaya bazama ukuyiprove ukuthi bayizinja, but because ingamuli abagcine bememeza nje, stop him, Mr. Olusurvan. Mame wayihambela nje umlungu phethe azange azagijime nokugijima. Khumbula ukuthi lo mlungu lo wakwabatshela ukuthi they are a bunch of thieves, they are a bunch of criminals. Yena ngeke aze akwazi uku-interrogate yena. So I think uPaul O'Sullivan uyayazi lento ukuthi vele into engekho nje, so yena akanasikhathi. Into ebuye ngicasula futhi ngale ad hoc committee, kunamanye ama-members bethi angakwazi uku-articulate kahle indaba yesingisi sabo, so uthola ukuthi uyibuzile i-question kodwa fanele kuze kube manje ucommissioner lapha phezulu ozobe uyachaza kabanzi ukuthi cha la ucommissioner ubani bethi yabona lento kuba articulate yabo iyadingeka when ukuleya level yokuthi ubuza abantu izinto ezirelevant nezinto kufanele ziba convince nathi South Africa siconvince. Awubuke la ukuthi kwenzekeni. By the way, before ubuke, you are watching the Dopest Show in KZN. DOP! Yes, Durban online podcast with Fly. So please subscribe, smash that button, press a like, and ungakhohlwa ukushiya comment. Lalela ke umphetho wenzeke lapha.
Yeah, I have reached a point now, Chairman, where I have to go.
No, Chair, it's not going to leave. It's not going to leave. She's going to ask her questions. He's not going to leave. If he leaves here, he's walking out. He's not going to leave until you release him. He's walking out of Parliament.
Yes.
Chair, he cannot be allowed. He's doing the same thing with Batoyi. You can't leave here. We are appearing before us.
Unfortunately, I made it
We don't
clear.
care about your flight.
Thank you.
You're not being released here. You must be arrested. We'll open a case now.
Pardon?
We'll open a case
No.
now. This man must not be allowed to go out of this country.
I did not come here on a summons.
We'll open a case.
I came here of my own free will.
MK ayibani.
I think he can go.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
The question that I had with him is,
Mr. O'Sullivan.
he wanted, it's, no, Chair, it's
Mr.
fine.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
I told him. It's fine. Chair, it's fine. Chair, it's, I think we've dealt with the question.
He can't leave. Righteousness. Yes.
Yabona ke ibhlungu futhi kaMalema ngoba kunama rumors ukuthi umfazi wakhe naye ufile divorce, so vele mefile divorce shothi nelo mfazi wakhe noma ngahamba yakude le usazophinda bengxenye ye-EFF because she owns part of EFF. Well, manje sesho O'Sullivan just like that. Izinto eziningi eMalema ngathi zamshiya. We don't know about ama-election ukuthi kuzokwenza kanjani. Shothi now maybe azomshiya. Nabo no Shivampu bamshiya. Nontozi bamshiya. Manje sesho umlungu. We don't know. Mfazi nakuthi uyahamba. Guys, don't forget to press that button. Subscribe. You are watching the Dopest Show in KZN. DOP! Durban Online Podcast with Fly Motion.
He can't leave. Righteousness. Yes.
He can't leave.
I was about to say he
We are
can
dealing
go. I
with
wanted to
criminals
ask him
here.
if they would be forgiven.
My man.
Batoyi did this. He's abroad now.
Yeah, he did. He doesn't want to. He also told me to check that.
Honorable,
No, Chair, I'm
Lana South Africa uyibonelile mfethu ladliwa imali yakho la taxpayers money yadliwa and umlungu knows it ukuthi vele lento engekho, so it's up to you guys. Do you really think ukuthi lento ad hoc yasebenza? Even nemadlanga, does it really mean ukuthi iyasebenza? Well, I'm gonna do another episode explaining ukuthi hey imadlanga imeleni kanti ke ne ad hoc imeleni. Before you go, please subscribe, make sure you smash that button bafethu watching the Dopest Show in KZN. DOP Durban Podcast, Durban Online Podcast with Fly Motion. Zaki, but cela ubuka lenye i-video yami engizoyifaka la screenini elandelayo. Siyabonga.